Hello guys, in this video I want to tell you in 1 minute what is the most important parameters for you to set up in your domain so you will increase your deliverability dramatically. So let's take a look on this 3 parameters: SPF, DKIM and DMARC. Those 3 parameters will help you, as I said, to increase your deliverability, and it will affect dramatically on your open rate and reply rate, obviously. The next two things that are super important are the profile photos and the signature. Please set a profile photo in your mailbox of a real person, not a logo or something like that, because it will also increase your deliverability. And the signature, if you go to your settings, for example in Google, you will find a place to put your signature, and if you will do that, again, it will help you to increase the deliverability. So SPF, DKIM, DMARC, the profile photo and the signature will help you to do that. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.